Hi everyone. So in today's episode of I actually tried out website that will pay you daily within 24 hours. Now if you come here on YouTube, there are a whole lot of videos like that list out websites that are going to pay you daily within 24 hours. So I decided to just try out this website to see if I could earn some money on the website, and now I'm here to share my experience and honest opinion with you. So without wasting time, let's get into all of this website. So the very first website here is 2Capture. Now 2Capture is a capture solving website, and as you can see here, I actually created an account with them to see if I could earn some money from the website, but I've not been able to earn any money from the website. Like if you look at my account here, it's actually $0. $0.00. Now the thing here is that you may not be able to earn from this website daily, not because 2Capture does not pay daily, but because of the time and the effort you need to put into getting this money. Now, for you to actually be able to earn from this website, you must solve 1000 capture. Like if you look at their payment here, so for normal capture, you get between 14 cents to 6 cents per 1000 capture that you actually solved. Then if you're using like their software, like if you're solving a recapture, then it's $1 per 1000 capture. So it's not very easy the way it sounds here on YouTube, and this is not to like discourage anybody who wants to try it, but I just want to be very open. So if you're going to try it, you will know what to actually expect, and the number of hours and effort you have to put into it. So, darlings, as you can see here, I actually tried solving this particular one. Like this one, they're telling me to select trends. I've been stuck here for like 2 days now because I don't know what they actually want from me. They said I should actually select an image with trend. I have counted the boxes that has the image with trend. I've entered it. It's not still working. I tried so many ways to make sure I communicate that okay, these are the ones that has trend on it. It's not still working. As you can see, there are time frame, the number of seconds you have to solve this thing. So it's not that easy. But like I said, I'm not discouraging you, but I'm just telling you that you may not actually earn daily from this website, not because the website doesn't pay daily, but because of the time commitment and some challenges you may encounter while you're trying to solve this thing. And be in the back of your mind that what you are going to be getting is actually very small, like $1 if you're solving recapture and you need to like install their software and configure it. Then if it is normal capture, you get between 14 cents to 6 cents. Okay, let's get into the second website. So Freecash is actually a website you go to play game and then earn some money from it. As you can see here on my account of Freecash, the earning is zero. I've not been able to earn anything from this website because whenever I click through a game to play it, they ask me to like scan the barcode that is being displayed on the screen right here, and then when you scan this barcode, they will ask you to download the game into your phone. I downloaded the game into my phone, but for this particular game I click here, you see that you're not going to get rewarded for playing this game until you have actually been able to play up to level 10. So it's from level 10 upward that you're being rewarded for playing this game. Now if you actually try playing this game, you see that as you're playing the game, ads are popping up, and they're telling you to like watch those ads, and most time after watching the ad, it will take you to Play Store to download those videos. You can see here that you will get reward when you complete all tasks. Part of those tasks is clicking on ads. So this thing is not actually working for this website. I will actually advise you to avoid this website because it's very difficult to move from this level 1 to level 2 to 3 to 4 to get to level 10 before you start getting this money. So they are just wasting people's time. Like, you just play game and they pay you for it. No, like they are not paying anything on this website. So I will advise you all to avoid this particular website. So the third website I actually try is Listverse. So Listverse is a website that allows you to submit a list of anything that's a top 10 of anything. It could be a top 10 funniest comedian in the world, but then it has to be originally your own. Before I show you from my computer if I was able to earn from this website or not, and details generally about this particular website, I'm going to take a few minutes of your time, and I apologize in advance for that. So there are two things I want you to do for me. The first thing is to like this video so that it will get to more people. They will see it, they will watch it, they will know what is working and what is not working. So please save a soul from what is not actually working. Secondly, when you like the video, I'm motivated to create more videos like this. The second thing I want you to do for me is actually subscribe. Currently running a series I titled I Try series. So what I do is try the most talked about ways of making money here on YouTube, from website to apps to online businesses, and then I come here and share my honest opinion and experience about that particular method of making money online. So subscribe if you are interested in making money, so you will know what actually worked and what didn't work, so you'll not be wasting your time, energy, and resources and what is not working. Now, go ahead and subscribe, darling. I'm waiting for you. Okay, thank you very much. If you've done that, head straight to the comment section and say, I have subscribed. So I will send you a special welcome hug that is meant for new subscribers. So if you come here to Listverse, you're going to see write and get paid. They have their own rules, and the rules are really pretty simple. As long as your list, and we do mean yours, don't steal other people's stuff. It's 1 or 2 paragraphs per item. You can choose any topic you like, and we also need you to link to reputable source. So that's just the rule right here. If you come here, get paid $100 for every list you submit to them. Like, the list is just a top 10 of anything, but it has to be your own. So for every list you submit to them, they'll review it and get back to you. If they accept it, they will pay you $100 for it. Like it is said here on the platform, there are rules for it. I think they have a writer's guide. If you come to more and you come to submit a list, if you click on submit a list, you are actually going to see submit a list, author's guide. Okay, they have an author's guide here, and there's actually something that stood out for me. I saw it first on this platform where they said the only technical limitation for submitting to Listverse, and yes, it's a big one, is geography. Listverse only accepts articles submitted from one of these 7 English speaking countries: United States, United Kingdom, New Zealand, Ireland, Canada, Australia, South Africa. So I needed to confirm that. If you come back to their website, it is here. We only accept submissions from the US, UK, and you see it's exactly what that particular website said about countries they accept articles from. So I've not been able to earn anything from Listverse. I've not submitted any article because I am a black girl from a black country, Nigeria, and there's no way I could submit to them because I don't live in any of this country they accept article from. So if you are living in any of these countries, you can check out Listverse. However, they are not paying daily. They are not paying within 24 hours, like the way those YouTubers said it. They only paid you for every article you submit, and they review it, they accept it. So this may take as many weeks as possible based on how fast you're able to come up with a top 10 list that is your own. And I don't know how long it takes them to actually review the list. So they pay but it's not daily. Let's move to the next website. So the next website is a website that is called Validately. Now let me show you what I actually got from them when I sign up. Okay, it's a user testing website. You test websites for people, you test apps for people, and you get paid for doing that testing. Now I signed up to see if I could make some money daily from this website. If you come here to your website, actually sign up. I got this from them. You have completed the screener test. You'll receive an email when a test is available for you. So I sign up. There's a test you need to take on this website. I took the test. They call it a screener test. I took the test, but they've not emailed me that, oh, there's a website for you to test or there's an app for you to test. It's been like 1 week plus now since I signed up on this particular website, Validately, but I've not made any money from it because they've not actually emailed me that there's a website available for me to test. So this is like a real website that people are making money from, but it's not daily, it's not within 24 hours. And I think they have so much people that are working for them, and jobs may not really be available every single week. That's just what I'm thinking since I've not actually received a mail from them. However, if you want to try, you can still go ahead and try. You may be lucky they email you that, oh, there's a website for you to test. The next step I try is user field. For user field, they don't accept people in my region, so I could not get into it. I also try UserPick. These are all like websites that allow you to test apps and website and you get paid for it. I try UserPick. UserPick says that they are not yet available in my country. Like they are not yet available in my country. So you can check it out. You might be lucky. They're available in your country. So that this website, however, pays but not daily, as the ones I've said actually paid but not daily. A lot of things have been exaggerated here on YouTube, from it accept people worldwide and you get there, it's available in your region, to how much you can make, to them paying every second and every day within 24 hours. Those things are not actually like that. But however, you can make money from some of the websites I've talked about today, but it's not going to be within 24 hours, and some of them requires a lot of commitment and time. So you have to know what you are getting into. Like Tool Capture will pay you, but the money is small and you need to commit a whole lot of time and energy into it. And you may actually encounter some challenges along the way, like not being able to identify the particular image or number, and the time elapsed. All those things frustrate people. This is my personal experience. I'm not saying it's going to be like that for you. Like I said, I'm just sharing every single thing. I'm being honest and open with you people. So if you've not subscribed, remember the I Try series is still going on. Subscribe, so when I drop new video, you'll see it, you watch it, and you know if it's working or not. For this particular website that pays, definitely I'll do a part 2 because there are a lot of websites I'm still trying to see if I can make money from it. Subscribe so you wouldn't miss the part 2. I try making money online by watching ads. So I did a video here. You can check it out to see if it actually work or not. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.